How to make a cleansing juice to empty your intestines naturally. Poor diet, eating in excess, and the continuous exposure to various toxins can all affect the functioning of your intestines. While these organs do work day and night to remove waste from the body, sometimes they suffer from difficulties due to the excessive accumulation of waste. However, did you know that a cleansing juice can help you detox your body? As a consequence, you may experience the uncomfortable sensation of abdominal bloating, as well as inflammation, gas and other symptoms derived from constipation. Fortunately, there are some 100 natural remedies that can help stimulate their cleansing. Plus, unlike other commercial products, they don't affect our bacterial flora. In this blog we want to share the recipe for a juice that's rich in fiber and antioxidant compounds. These promote detoxification in a safe and effective way. Try it. Cleansing juice to empty the intestines naturally. The combination of ingredients in this cleansing juice helps improve your intestinal movements to relieve slow digestion and constipation. Due to the nutrients it contains, it's ideal for cleansing your blood and improving cardiovascular and metabolic health. The foods we're going to use are oranges, grapefruit, pineapple, parsley, chia seeds, linseed. Together, these foods help to empty intestines that are loaded with waste and prevent other digestive illnesses that require greater attention. What are the benefits of this cleansing juice? This juice is designed to support the digestion and relieve constipation. However, it has other important benefits that are worth mentioning. It contains large quantities of dietary fiber which, as well as optimizing intestinal mobility, also reduces cholesterol and controls anxiety. Contributes significant quantities of vitamins A and C, nutrients that strengthen your immune health and skin. Has antioxidant compounds that inhibit the negative effects of free radicals, a factor related to premature aging and some illnesses. Has diuretic properties that help to move liquids retained in the body's tissues, facilitating the reduction of inflammation. Is an energy drink and is low in calories, which benefits people who are trying to lose weight. Serves as food for the healthy bacteria that live in the colon. Thanks to this, it improves your defenses and prevents infections. Promotes blood circulation and, by improving the transportation of oxygen and nutrients, it helps to strengthen your heart and brain. How to make this cleansing juice? It is recommended that you prepare this cleansing juice when faced with any of the symptoms of constipation. However, it can also be used in general as a complement to your diet to improve your digestion. Ingredients: the juice of 1 orange, the juice of 1/2 a grapefruit, 2 slices of pineapple, 3 sprigs of parsley, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 10 grams, 1 tablespoon of ground linseed, 10 grams, 1/2 glass of water, 100 milliliters. Preparation. Cut the orange in half and extract the juice. Extract the juice of 1/2 a grapefruit too, and put it in the blender together with the orange juice. Immediately, add the chopped up slices of pineapple, the sprigs of parsley and the seeds. To facilitate the blending, finally add 1/2 a glass of water. Blend it all for a few moments, until you have a uniform drink. Method of consumption. Serve the drink as soon as you've made it, without straining it, and drink it on an empty stomach. Wait at least 30 minutes before having breakfast and repeat this every day for 2 or 3 continuous weeks. Recommendations. If your goal is to empty your intestines, combine drinking this cleansing juice with drinking water daily. Drink between 6 and 8 glasses of water a day to maintain good digestive health. During the detox weeks, avoid processed foods, sugars and fats. Eating these kinds of foods can limit the results. Eat fiber-rich foods like fruit and vegetables to help control the constipation. If taking medication, consult your doctor to check whether this juice could affect its absorption. Is your abdomen inflamed? When you eat, do you feel bloated or suffer from indigestion? If you experience these symptoms, it is likely that your intestines are loaded with toxins. Try preparing this juice at home and find out for yourself the benefits it offers for your digestive health. If you still have problems despite this, request a checkup. Bear in mind that, although it is normal to have constipation, sometimes it can be a symptom of other health problems.